Hello everyone, today Ask F5 shows you how to determine the AMI ID of the image you want to update to. You must complete 5 steps to prepare and then update or upgrade a BIG-IP Virtual Edition or VE instance in an Amazon Web Services or AWS Autoscaling group. This demonstration covers step 1. There are links to information about the other steps in the description section for this video. When you are updating or upgrading, you must provide the F5 AWS CloudFormation stack with the AWS Amazon Machine Image ID or AMI ID you want to update to. On the AWS Management Console, select Services, select EC2, select AMIs. In the search box list, select Public Images. Select the search box and then select AMI name. Enter the name of the BIG-IP version you want to update to, and then select Search. Select the checkbox next to the image that has the BIG-IP version you want to update to and the same licensing and bandwidth type as your current BIG-IP VE instance. This demonstration uses an image for BIG-IP 16.0.1.1 with a pay-as-you-go license and 200 megabytes per second. Select the copy icon so that you can record the AMI ID because you need it in a later step. That's it. If you have installation, maintenance, troubleshooting, or general questions about F5 products, leave us a comment or send us an email.